Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a drone from Veeniix. It is the model V11 Air. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, why would an off-grid channel really care about promoting a drone? Well, I think that if you live in a homestead or an RV out in the middle of nowhere, I think something like this would be a great way to be able to view all of your property in a matter of minutes. Basically, a great sense of security and awareness of what's going on your property. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside.
Let's do this.
Okay, and before we open this up, I just want to make sure you know that these smaller power stations are perfect for when you have a drone because they will keep this thing charged up and ready to go wherever you're at. And usually even these little small ones can charge up a drone multiple times if needed. All right, when you open your drone, you should expect this case that's in this bag. All right, let's go ahead and unzip it. Okay, we got a piece of styrofoam on top. And let's see what we have. First, let's take out the remote. And then we have our drone, and it looks like the camera cover was also in the bag. It probably just popped off during shipping. And then it looks like we have 2 batteries. And then in the zipper pocket, we have our data cables. We have a quick start guide, a customer support service card, and a little card here that you put on the remote to be able to tell you what all of the motions and buttons do. They also give you a set of charging cables.
And of course, the instructions.
And a full user's manual. And of course, you can't forget the spare propellers and a small screwdriver just in case you run into something and you need to do some quick repairs. All right, just to be truthful, I have never flown a drone of this caliber before. Usually they're just the little small toys. So this one I will actually have to register with the FAA and get certified to fly it. There is also an app that will show you the controlled and uncontrolled flight areas that you will want to download. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and charge these batteries all the way up. And then I'm actually going to take my time and get to know this drone before going any further in this video. So I will get back to you as soon as I can.
Goodbye.
So what I have here is the Veeniix V11 Air. It is you could say it's a proper drone. We have another one here. My son got this for Christmas from his grandparents. Now you can see that, these are roughly the same size. The Veeniix, the body's a little bit bigger, but the wingspan and everything looks exactly the same. But these don't compare at all to each other. This is a toy and this is for surveillance. And even though these look the same size, this one only weighs 5.2 ounces, and this weighs over 12 ounces. And that additional weight is what makes it so superior. And that also has nothing to do with all of the additional options and features that this has when it comes to auto landing, and it has GPS follow. And the camera is actually on a gimbal. It's a 3-axis gimbal, so your shots, your video footage, is completely stationary no matter where you're flying it. And when you have something like this that's just on a 2-axis, like it just goes up and down, you're gonna have shaky video footage. So what I wanna do is I wanna compare these two and show you what the difference is between a probably $50 to $100 drone and a drone that you're looking at several $100s, $3 to $4. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna try out this this small drone right here. And I'm just going to try to fly it about 5 to 6 feet up in the air and see how stable it is. All right, and it should be ready to go. It's not really giving me any indication, but let's go ahead and just press the up and down button to see what it does. And you can see right off the bat that it's drifting. It's drifting off to the side. But all in all, it's not terrible. But just a little, I can't even get it back in the camera. Finally, there we go. It's back in the camera screen. But you see, I can't even keep it level. And you can see the corn behind this. The corn behind me, I mean, it's not even windy out here. And if I go any higher than this, I lose control. See, I constantly have to have it facing that way, or it just comes right back to me. And you see, look how hard it is to land. I mean, I can barely, I'm trying to land it on this pad right here. I'm just gonna try to plop it down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whew. And the battery on this is already saying that it's dying. But it only gives me like a beep. It's no big deal. And I didn't even bother with the camera because it would be so shaky, you wouldn't even be able to see what was going on. All right, now let's try the Veeniix V11 Air. All right, turning on the drone, turning on the controller. And it will take about 10 to 15 seconds for these to sync up. And as you can see on the controller, it comes with its own app and it's directly connected to your phone. So there, you don't have to worry about like a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth signal. And as soon as it's connected, it will do that. And you will see the camera light up on your screen right there. I don't know if you can see that, but so right there, you know that the two are connected. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, fly this up to my face, like right in front of me, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the rest of the video from the camera on this drone. So let's do it. All right, as you can see, we just took off and we're about 5 to 6 feet above the ground. And look how stable this is. I mean, if you didn't know that I was using a drone, you wouldn't even know because the camera is so clear. To prove to you that I'm using a drone, let's go ahead and have a little fun. As you can see, we are now 100 feet. We're now 100 feet above the ground. And look how stable that image is. I mean, it's like there's a camera in the sky and you would really never know that it's a drone. You can barely see me, even though this is 4K video, which is amazing. And you can always angle the camera a little bit to be able to see out into the cornfield. That just goes on and on and on and on. But if you wanted to look at your house, it would be so easy. Like you could look at all 4 corners of your house without any issue whatsoever. You could look at it, point it straight down. You could turn it around. And just look how stable this is. And there's my house right there. And you can see that I can see all surrounding areas of my house. I can see everything. And if I wanted to go even higher, you know, that way I could see everything. Turn it around so you can see everything. Or actually, let's see, you know, what if there was a storm and you kind of wanted to look down the street or, you know, down the road or whatever to see if there was any downed trees or anything? I mean, you could easily do that. I mean, see, I could just look, I could look and look and look, and there's everything. You can see off into the distance. If you turned it around, you could see the other direction. I mean, you would be able to see anything. Another part about this that I like is it has a single return home button. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it now, and I'm just gonna kind of show you exactly what it does.
Return home.
It says return home, and it will start flying to where it took off. And it will land, you know, it will land within 7 feet of of where it came down from. It's trying to figure it out, and now it's starting to come home. There's me. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right at head level again. And like I said, this thing has a lot of other features. It has like GPS follow. It has all sorts of stuff. But again, I think that having a drone on your homestead or on your off-grid property, I think it's a really good idea. That way you can see just everything around your homestead or around your off-grid property and never have to worry about really leaving the security of, of your home. I mean, you need to come outside, but you can lift it off and just look around for miles to see if there's anything going on. So if you have any questions about the Veeniix V11 Air, please go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll have a link to this item and anything else I used in my description. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.